I think the thing that I found most memorable about the course is how applicable it is to everyday working life. All the courses are really practical. They give you things that are relevant and they allow you to pick whatever is relevant from your specialty as part of your assignment. So it's really flexible and it's really enjoyable to do something that makes sense to me.
My job is as a Director of Psychiatry Training, and I'm taking on more of a role within the Australian College of Psychiatrists in their examination processes. And so through this degree, I've actually been able to understand a little bit better what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how I can do it better. So I've learned a lot of practical skills during the course of this program, which has been really helpful.
I think the programme is excellent. It's online, so it's been accessible to me at all times. I think memorable things are when you go on your online tutorial and there are other students from Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, all over the world, and we're all on at the same time and supporting each other through the programme, and that has been very memorable for me.
The programme has really improved my psychometric knowledge, improve my knowledge how to search for the best evidence. It helped me a lot in the basics of my profession, and that's nursing. And it equipped me in terms of educational theories, in terms of learning and teaching. So it was amazingly useful for me as a healthcare worker as well as an educator.
I think the one thing that any student on the programme should do is join in with the tutorials, do the preparation and reading beforehand, and really make the most of those to ask questions of the tutors and engage with your fellow peers, because they have a wealth of experience from a lot of different backgrounds, and it's so interesting to hear and interact with them.
With a lot of the assignments, they're fairly flexible, so I was able to make them very practical and reflecting on my situation and my work responsibilities. So again, I was learning things that were practical and I could immediately apply to my work situation.
Having found out that I passed just a few weeks ago, my assistant director of my department has asked me to present at a national training conference next year, and they've also pointed me towards a job that's 2 levels above my other job. So I'm looking at promotion already, and these things are fantastic.
There were 2 attractions of Edinburgh. One, I looked at programs through Australia and across the world. And what I found was many of the programs are teaching degrees. And what Edinburgh offered was actually a degree in education, which was looking at the philosophy behind what I was doing rather than looking at teaching skills. The other attraction was to actually study at one of the world's ancient universities, and the opportunities that provided were wonderful.
I would absolutely recommend this programme to anybody who wants to know anything about clinical education. It is a practical course and it's tailored to your needs, so anybody can join in, and it's great to hear from all your different professions in clinical education.